Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the Catalyst Machineworks Droner 5R 5-inch racing frame. This frame offers some pretty interesting features, it has a unique look, and today in this video I'm going to go over its features, show you how to assemble it, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video. Now I'm going to show you quickly how to assemble it and then go over its specs. As you can see, now the droner is assembled. This is the basic version, and all these extra parts are available separately, and shortly I'm going to go over them. The total weight of the droner is 77.8 grams. The thickness of each arm, which is replaceable, is 5 mm, and its width is 6.5 mm. The thickness of the bottom plate is 3 mm. The thickness of the side plates is 2 mm. And the thickness of the front supporting arm brace is 4 mm. The wheelbase of the standard version is about 200 mm, and you can also get a hybrid version with a wheelbase of 222 mm, which will allow you to mount 6-inch propellers on the back two motors. The distance between the back motors and the front ones is about 14.5 centimeters. The distance between the back two motors is about 13.5 centimeters. And the distance between the front two motors is about 16 centimeters. The distance between the bottom plate and the bottom of the side plate is about 2.5 centimeters, so you have to make sure that your stack is going to be able to fit inside the frame. The frame supports micro FPV cameras, and it will provide also substantial protection for the camera lens. And on the back you can find cutouts for both FPV and radio receiver antennas, and you also get in these plastic tubes that will enable you to protect the antennas of your radio receiver. As I mentioned before, this is the basic kit, and you can buy extra accessories from Catalyst Machineworks. First of all, you can get this back supporting brace arm, which you can mount on the back of the quadcopter. This should reduce the vibrations and add some protection, and I'm going to use it on my build video. In addition, you can also get these canopies. This one is the turtle mode canopy, which is going to add a nice shark fin on the top, which will enable you to flip the quadcopter easily in case of a crash. The second canopy has this cutout on top that will allow you to mount a GoPro Session 5 or a GoPro 7 mounts on the top of the quadcopter. With each mount, you get in a 30 degrees adapter, and if you'd like, you can get a 40 degrees adapter separately. In terms of weight, using the back supporting arm bracket is going to add 5.2 grams. The shark fin canopy is going to add 11.7 grams. The second canopy weighs 7.2 grams, and if you're going to add the GoPro Session 5 mounts using the 30 degrees adapter, the total weight is going to be 26.9 grams. The 30 degrees adapter on its own weighs 3.8 grams. And the 40 degrees adapter weighs 4.8 grams. The GoPro 7 mount is based on two components, so you can find this part that will add extra protection for the camera lens, and I've actually never mounted my GoPro 7 on top of any quadcopters because I was afraid to break it because it's pretty expensive, and this time I'm going to give it a try because I think that this mount is going to add substantial protection. So even if I'm going to crash this quadcopter, I think that the GoPro is still going to survive, at least hopefully. This part is of course heavier than the rest and on its own weighs 40.6 grams. And if you're going to use it with the canopy and the 30 degrees adapter, the total weight is 51.3 grams. So overall, the Catalyst Machineworks Droner 5R looks like a very interesting frame. It has a unique design. It provides plenty of protection for the lens of the MicroFPV camera. It's very light, especially considering that the arms are replaceable and their thickness is 5mm. And I really like its modularity and the ability to mount the action cameras on the top of the quadcopter using these camera mounts and this canopy. So I hope you enjoyed my review of the Catalyst Machineworks Droner 5R and you find it useful. As always, if you have any questions about this frame, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos and goodbye.